Hi guys, it's me. It has been too long since I have done a big makeup look, so today that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Featuring this beautiful demonic headdress that I definitely did not make last night. The plan is to make myself into some fiery demonic creature. I am very excited. This is going to pull together a lot of different skills that I have gathered over the years of studying special effects makeup, and I am very excited. Whew. Let's get to it.
I am so excited to get into this look with you guys, To start off, I have applied a deep moisturiser to my face and I'm brushing my hair back into a low bun. Sadly, being in and out of lockdown means I haven't had a chance to see a hairdresser, as I'm sure many of us are feeling at the minute, so everything needs to be hairsprayed and back and out of the way. To start the look, I am applying a latex bald cap that I made myself. I did this by applying between 5 and 6 layers of liquid latex to my styling head, which you can see just down here. And I am affixing it to my face with mastic spirit gum and more liquid latex. The headdress here is made of tin foil wrapped in duct tape, papier-mâché, and painted with black acrylic paint. It sticks to my head because the underside still has that duct tape adhesive, and I'm going around the edges with more tissue and liquid latex. This is a really simple technique, but honestly it is the bread and butter of so many of the SFX things I do. What I'm doing here is applying clay, as would be used in a face mask, to the top of the bald cap and my forehead. And I can tell you it was not a pleasant sensation. I feel, yeah, it was not nice. The idea behind this was that when it dried and cracked, like you can see here, I would be able to paint the undertones fiery colours and I would end up with a crackling, broken rock demon thing. It didn't exactly work out. I think I didn't apply it thickly enough, so it kinda didn't work. But you know, that's okay. One of the biggest challenges of this type of work is being able to think on your feet and think around problems. And that's what I had to do. Even though it didn't work, it still gave me a really nice texture. So in the end, I took my fluffy brush, I painted everything over black, and then I mottled in different shades of orange and red and more embery colours. I'm taking the same black and fluffy brush to outline particular areas of definition, which here I want to be prominent parts of my neck and my collarbone. It seems that my camera skipped a little bit here, but all that's been missed is that I have painted my face orange, and I'm using a red face paint to make a transition between the black and make it all smudgy and pretty colours. To give the eyes some extra definition, I'm going around them with a yellow face paint, just to set them apart from the orange background. I'm then applying spikes that have been made with polystyrene and just painted black and red for some more three-dimensional effect. I thought I would give my girl some white freckles, as well as you can see painting my lips black and in a sort of Joker-ish smile. The headdress you see me applying and affixing to the horns, or halo? I'm not really sure what you'd call it, is just a Victorian style jewel choker that broke, and I love it so much I don't want to get rid of it. Finally was the most trying part of this, the contact lenses. But there's the finished look. I hope you've enjoyed it. I loved this one, and I'll see you all for the next one.